If you need to refund a GoDaddy domain, there are a few important rules you have to follow first. Because GoDaddy only allows refunds within specific time windows, and the process is not automatic. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to check if your domain is eligible, how to delete it the right way, and how to contact support so you can request your money back. If this helps, please give the video a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Let's get into it. First, before you do anything, check your refund eligibility. This part matters because GoDaddy has strict standard refund timeframes. If you bought a new domain registration, you usually need to cancel it within 5 days, which is 120 hours of purchase. If it was a manual renewal, you also need to cancel within 5 days, or 120 hours of renewal. For auto-renewals on a 1-year term, the refund window is longer, up to 45 days, which is 1,080 hours from renewal. But for multi-year auto-renewals, the refund window drops back down to 5 days, or 120 hours from renewal. So before you move forward, make sure your domain falls inside one of these eligible timeframes. Now here's the next step, and this is very important. You must completely delete the domain from your GoDaddy account before support can issue a refund. GoDaddy will not simply refund it while the domain is still active in your profile. Also, there's a major warning here. Once you delete the domain, you forfeit ownership immediately, and it can become available for someone else to register, so only continue if you're sure you want to remove it. To do that, sign into your GoDaddy account first. Once you're logged in, go to your My Products page. This is where all of your domains and services are listed. Find the domain that you want to refund, and then select it. Depending on the domain and renewal type, you may see an option like Delete or Cancel Renewal. Click the option that removes the domain, then carefully confirm the deletion when prompted. Take your time here and make sure you're selecting the correct domain, especially if you own multiple names. After the domain has been deleted, you're not done yet. This is the step many people miss. GoDaddy does not automatically issue a refund just because the domain was removed. You still need to contact support and ask for the refund manually. So now go to the official GoDaddy Help Center. From there, start a live chat session or find the phone support number for your region. If you want the fastest response, live chat is usually the easiest option. When you reach a support agent, be ready with your domain name, your account number, and your 4-digit support PIN. Then explain clearly that you deleted an eligible domain and you want to request a refund back to your original payment method. Keep your message simple and direct so the agent can verify your account and process the request faster. If your domain is within the allowed refund window and meets the policy requirements, support should be able to help you from there. And that's the full process for refunding a GoDaddy domain. First, check your eligibility, then delete the domain from your account, and finally contact support to request the refund. Just remember that deleting the domain means giving up ownership right away, so only do this if you're certain. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.